Hi there, here we are with our patient Eduardo. Eduardo just stopped by the office today, 8 months after we did a max harvest hair transplant procedure on him.
Procedure was awesome, no pain whatsoever. Everything was great, they make me feel very comfortable. And if you are thinking about doing it, I think you should do it because the results are amazing.
The suture line, it looks absolutely perfect, undetectable. This little thing right here is the suture line.
Oh, it was robotics? And no. I said, how come? Because I can't find the line. She could not find the line. And it's a stylist that cuts hair all day long, every day. That's how good this doctor is, guys. This is voluntarily. I'm not getting paid for this, okay?
Awesome, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Doc.
I really appreciate you
No
doing
problem.
the video.
Absolutely.
More to come, man. More to come.
Absolutely. That's it.